Hi there. Today, I will be guiding you through how to create a YouTube banner in Leonardo. The most important thing for creating a banner in Leonardo is you need to write the whole description about your banner. You need to write each and single detail about your banner, what type of banner you want to create in Leonardo. And if you are not good in writing, then no need to worry because for this, I have a way. As you can see, I get the help of ChatGPT, and here I asked to ChatGPT, I want to create a YouTube banner in Leonardo. So write a detailed prompt so I can use that for creating the banner. Here, you have to mention your channel, and the main purpose, like my channel, is for creating guideline videos on different software. Now here you can see the description for YouTube banner. The only thing I need to do is I need to copy it. And after copying, paste it, Leonardo, click on the images. And in the image, I will delete my previous data and I will paste the prompt. Now the last thing is click on the option Generate. Then it will start generating 4 different banners. Let's wait for that time until the banner will be completed. And here you can see 4 different banners created by Leonardo. If you don't like any of these, then simply click on the option Generate, and it will start again. Do this process until you will get the banner that you want on YouTube channel. And once you will get that, simply download that and use that for your YouTube channel. And here are the others banner. Now, if you find them, download and use them, and that's it.